back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how to clean your underarms. So I didn't shave it, so I will show you how to shave, how to clean, and how to care your underarms and how to lighten your underarms. So I will show you live result. Let's start with. For the first step, take wet cloth and clean your underarms. We need any type of face wash. Now take a little bit amount of face wash and then gently rub your underarms. Now take your razor and remove underarms hair. You must careful while doing shaving because underarm area is very sensitive. Now take a wet cloth, then do rubbing and cleaning your underarms. Now let's see underarms lightening secret formula. You need 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 3 to 4 drops of lemon juice. Then mix well. After that, apply and rub gently with help of a lime peel. Wait for 5 minutes and then take a cloth and remove. You can try this remedy twice a week. Now apply aloe vera gel on your underarms. You can use fresh aloe vera. After dry it, apply your body lotion on underarms. You will feel soft and cool after following these steps. Now you can see the real results. Hope you will get something new in this video. If you like this video, share with your friends and do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Till then, bye bye.